I am Diang Ejada. Now I have two problems. Number 1, decimal to binary conversion 255. This is the step 1. Divide 255 by 2. 255 divide 2 equal 127. Remainder 1. Divide 127 by 2. 127 divide 2 equals 63. Remainder 1. Divide 63 by 2. 63 divide 2 equal 31. Remainder 1. Divide 31 by 2. 31 divide 2 equal 15. Go. This shows how to convert the octal number 400 to decimal. Step 1. Expand the number. Write the octal number in positional notation. Each digit is multiplied by a power of 8 corresponding to its position. Rightmost digit is 80. Next is 81. Step 2. Calculate powers of 8. Calculate the power of 8. 80 equal 1. 8 exponent 1 equal 8. 8 exponent 2 equals 64. Step 3. Perform calculation. Evaluate the expanded expression to get the decimal equivalent. Answer correctly states that the decimal equivalent of octal 400 is 256.